In first, ELDOA is an acronym. The French acronym means étirements longitudinaux pour une décoaptation ostéo-articulaire. That means how it's possible to decoapt with a stretching technique between the joint. ELDOA means loads, L-O-A-D-S, but you respect the acronym ELDOA, E-L-D-O-A. 30 years ago now, because I'm not so young, when I began to study in UK the osteopathy, a big fashion is the back pain. Everybody speaks about the back pain in medical studies, in osteopathy, in PT studies. Everybody wants to know how it's possible to correct the back pain. It's the pain of the world. Everybody spoke and write about that. For that, I have followed a lot of seminars with Messier, with Fritz Denis, with Bobat, Kobat, and a lot of different techniques for the back pain. They are good, but they are not very good. All the time I pick up a little point very important in each technique during 10 years, and after I try to find, to mix what is the best in that. In the same time, I began to study a lot of biomechanics in a new way, the way of tensegrity, since the 80s, 40 years ago that began. And I understand the spine, the relationship between one vertebra and another vertebra don't exist. It's all the time in a relationship with all the body, all the spine, the pelvis, the skull, and all the bone. We began to speak about CSSC. That means C-S-S-C. Cranio, spino, sacral, coccygean spine. And it all is in link to the tailbone from the skull. And for the back pain, a lot of time you have a compression for the gravity, because impact, because an accident, I don't know. A compression. Compression of what? Compression, for example, of a nerve between two vertebrae, like a sciatica classic, but it's possible because you have a nerve between each vertebra, it's possible to compress intercostal nerve, a radial nerve, a sciatic nerve, a crural nerve, all the nerves. It's possible to compress a disc, to create a discal herniation, a bulge at the beginning, a protrusion after, and an herniation at the end. It's possible to compress the joint. The facet joints that you have here, the zygapophyse, another name, are compressed. And when you compress, you create a lot of rust. What's the name of that? Osteoarthritis. That means if I want to resolve all of that, I have two solutions. I have studied that. Two solutions, one medical and one with the training. The medical solution, you have two families. One family to treat the cause with the surgery, is violent for the body. Another solution is to treat the symptom with medicine. You have a pain, painkiller, but that don't change the cause. And after, for the exercise, you have the same family. One family to treat the consequence, using by a lot of PT, and one consequence that I want to use is to treat the cause. Because the cause is a compression, for example, between T12 and L1, I want to find one specific exercise, how it's possible to open yourself, auto-normalization, by an exercise, with an exercise, how it's possible to open T12 and L1. I have organized a lot of exercises in this way. That is the first step of the story. The second step of the story, when I opened many years after in Marseille a big center, I have more than 50 employed and more than 2,000 patients. Each patient, I do a lot of ELDOA to create a research, to do a lot of exercise, a lot of statistics, to know exactly what happened, what are the results, what is good, what is bad. And for each patient, when I said hello, I said, okay, how do you feel? Sometimes I said, very good, amazing, Guy, thank you, it's amazing, I feel better than I never had. But the other one said, yes, it's good, but a good thing. I have no back pain now during my menstruation. Oh, a good thing. I have no, that don't burn on my digestive system. Oh, good thing. I stop my headache now. Or good thing. I stop to snore. Snore. Say, oh, what happened? I want to do something for the mechanic thing, for the bone, the joint, the disc, intervertebral disc, and I have a result for the thing. I said, I forgot. You have a relationship with all the nerve via the spinal cord with all the visceral thing. You have an attachment for all the visceral things, for example, the liver, the kidney attached with the fascial Zucker candle on the spine, the liver attached via the diaphragm on the L1, L2, L3, and so on. I know now when I move, I can organize gentle, very gentle, in a good place, the vertebra, for example. I can have a good action for the functionality of the visceral thing.